Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And there's Lola. Today I have a trunk club unboxing for my trip to Hawaii. So if you'd like to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay, so this trunk is specifically for my trip to Hawaii. No makeup, hair is in this really fancy bun because I leave for Hawaii in a day and a half. And I wanted to open up this trunk. I just got it just a little bit ago and see if these pieces are going to make it into my suitcase. If you're unfamiliar with Trunk Club, it is a Nordstrom's affiliated company. They send you a trunk with a $25 styling fee. Usually there's quite a few pieces, 12 pieces usually for me. The great thing about Trunk Club is that you actually get to view your box before they send it. At that time you get to ixnay or thumbs up what you want in your box. So if you don't want those items, they won't be sent, and then you have the option to only get what you approved or have your stylist fill the spots of the things you didn't like with new stuff. So it's a bit of a surprise. The great thing about Trunk Club is, one, if you use your Nordstrom's card, you never have a styling fee. And two, you actually have a dialogue with your stylist back and forth like a text message. So they really get to know you and you kind of get to really tell them what you like. And then when you say you don't like something, you can give a reason, like I already have that, and things like that. Here's the exciting part if you've watched my Trunk Club. I don't know if it's exciting, but it's different, is that I've had the same stylist for as long as I've done Trunk Club, and I've done quite a few trunks, but I feel like it was getting a little stagnant. So I have a new stylist, and I'm super excited, and she really encouraged me to keep everything, even if they weren't my style. I did say no to a few things because I actually had them. Like, not even like, she was really awesome because she really did her research, and there was a pair of shoes that I had wanted that my last stylist couldn't get, so she had those in the trunk, but I'm impatient. I'd already purchased them. So yeah, so there are some stuff that I normally wouldn't approve, but because she did encourage me to get out of my comfort zone, I said yes to a lot of things. So here we are. So exciting. Okay, one of my other favorite things about Trunk Club is that you just schedule a UPS pickup. You just say, hey UPS, come on back tomorrow or the next day or whatever day, and they just pick it up at your doorstep. Like, how easy is that? Because I freaking hate going to UPS, the post office, FedEx, all of them. I hate all of them. No, not like I don't hate them. I just hate going to them. Don't get it twisted. I'm so thankful for them. Getting the stuff to my door all the time. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay. Ooh. As you can see, that's a hefty package of stuff. And look what else is in here. Here's sunglasses. I love that, like, it also includes accessories, hats, shoes, all of the things. I'm trying on the sunglasses just because, you know, okay, let's not get ahead of ourselves, right? I'm just getting very excited. Okay. Ay, all the things are falling out. Okay, so, so the first thing I'm looking at, oh, these are so cute. I love these. These are the Ray-Ban 52mm irregular aviator sunglasses. Like, look at the shape of these, you guys. It has this, like, I might have died and gone to heaven. Guys, what do you guys think? By the time you tell me what you think, I'll already be in Hawaii, but you know. Oh, I might like those. They're a little bit smaller than what I typically go for. I love big sunglasses, but these may make it right into my suitcase, guys. Those are so cute, and I really do love that they send different accessories and stuff like that. So super cute, and not really like anything that I have already, so that's always exciting. Let me move some of this stuff out of my way because Okay, so the first thing, and this is by Free People, and this is the Baja Babe Cold Shoulder Blouse, and it's $78. Super cute. I love the color. It has like a tie in the back, and it kind of has an open, I don't know if you can see, like an open back, just slightly, and it slits at the arms, but not all the way through, so it kind of has like this like keyhole arm. The fabric's really soft. It looks a little short, and it might be like a little bit like boxy on me, but I either like that or I don't. Like, it can go either way for me, so we'll see. You know, this was something that I did not necessarily think I would like. So this is the Gibson and High Sugar Plum Sicily embroidered racerback knit dress. So it's just this like kind of like turquoisey color with embroidery, and yeah, it's a very plain, it's very comfy, really stretchy, so we'll see how that works. Okay, this is a cover-up, and this is the crochet inset cover-up dress, $54. It's by Elon. I actually have a few cover-ups by Elon. So it's like completely see-through, and it's cute. Like, I really like their cover-ups. However, like, when I cover up, I'm covering up. I don't like a lot of like see-throughs. It just, I want to feel comfortable, and so sometimes when it's like shows a lot, I'm not that comfortable, but you never know. And again, I have probably like 3 color cover-ups by Elon, one that I shrunk. Okay, here is a pair of denim shorts, which I really like. It's by the brand Treasure and Bond, in the high waist boyfriend cutoff denim shorts. These are $69. These are actually super cute. High waisted, it doesn't fit me super well, I feel like, but I really do like these, and I like the length. I'm really hoping that they fit. They have some stretch on, so that is awesome. Okay, there's a lot of red, I feel like, in here. This is by Bowden, and this is the Sophia print cotton blend jersey mini dress. So let's see. Oh my gosh, this feels like really stretchy. So it's this like, it's really short. It's kind of this cute like handkerchief print, I want to say. It has these cute little straps, and it's short and fluffy. It literally kind of feels like bathing suit material. Interesting. I've never tried anything by Bowden, so we'll see. This is also by Elon, and this is the Color Block Cover Up Maxi Dress, and it's $78. I was intrigued by the colors of this, and I have an Elon cover up that I don't wear as a cover up. I wear it as like a dress. Sorry, excuse me. Reminding me of my waxing appointment tomorrow. Okay, so I love the color, and it does this like tie at the top, super cute, and I love the orange on the bottom. The problem is with these kind of sometimes is that because they have this like boob line, my boobs don't typically fit within that little line area, so that's an issue. I don't know what's going on out there. Okay, we're moving on. This is by Billabong, and it's the Billabong and Sincerely Jules Saline Sunday shirt in the color Cool Whip. It's $64.95. So this was something that they kind of added into the box, and it's basically like a shirt, but it's meant to be like a cover up. So that could be interesting, right? Okay, this I did not like, but you know, trying new things. And it's the La Blanca Palm Reader Cover Up Pareo in $89. And it's like you can wear it like a skirt. I love the color. I was wondering if it had any other like ways you could wear it, because I'm wondering if this is the kind too you can wear like this, or as a skirt or something. So we'll see. Okay, I was super excited about this, although the color is a lot darker than I thought it was gonna be. But this is the Rip Curl Surf Romper in the color gold, and it's $39.95. I thought this was so cute. This like romper, I really like it. I'm really hoping it fits well. It's got pockets, it's short, has adjustable straps, and that's all the things and the things that I like. And lastly, there's this skirt by Reformation, I think, yes. And it's called the Citron skirt in the color black, and it's $148. Ooh, it's like linen. So it kind of goes like this, and I don't know if you can tell, it ties at the side, but it has a slit. It's hard to tell because it's all like wrapped up. I wish it was a different material, because traveling in linen sometimes doesn't work, but we're trying this all on. Oh, also you guys, I think my new stylist name is Mia. Let's see, for sure. I'm gonna look for you really quick. They have a Trunk Club has like a really cool app. And this, yeah, no, it's not Mia. It's, sorry if I butcher your name and you're watching. Malaya. It's M-I-L-A-Y. So that's who you would be getting if you're interested in Trunk Club, and hitting that link below. I actually really like her. I just feel like she's got some really good style. Not that my other didn't, but I feel like she's getting me. And I think that as you do these, the more and more that your stylist gets you. So that's exciting. So let's get to the trunk. We're not starting off that well. So here's this Free People shirt. One, it's so short on me. It's no good. Like, it makes me look like a house. Like, look. Like from the side. It just is not flattering. It's far too short for me. That's what the back looks like. The shorts, I love the length, but they're high rise, so they're fitting really snug. It just, here's the thing, if you're like me and you have absolutely positively no hips and you kind of gain your weight more of like that apple shape, high rise is not your friend. It's so hard to find the right pair. It's like cut you off in a weird spot. You have nothing to kind of even it out, and it's no bueno for me. So these are so uncomfortable, and the shirt is awful on me. Cute shirt, it's so comfy, you guys, but this doesn't work for me. So here is the Bowden dress. Like, the color's cute. I don't know, you guys, like, I'm not sure about this print. Like, it's so comfy. I don't know, there's something about this print that just doesn't really speak to me. I don't know, so we'll see. It is really comfy. I love the little two-tone tassels. But yeah, let's try the next one. Here's this other one. Again, I'm just not a fan of it. The blue is pretty, but it's just so simple, and like, I have so many dresses that are so much like this. So this is kind of a no. I knew I probably wouldn't like this when I saw it, but I wanted to give it a try, so you never know. Welcome to my world. Big boobs are like the worst. Like the worst. Like I just can't even. But it's super cute, I guess. Like, I love the colors of it. Obviously it's supposed to be longer, but big boobs, this ain't your friend. Here is that next cover up. It's actually cuter than I thought. Don't mind, I'm wearing this like sports bra and red underwear, so you get to see it all today. So it's, again, they're full to underwear, everybody. So you can kind of like see your bathing suit through it, but I think that it's not tight enough where it feels like you're showing all your bits and pieces. So this actually is cuter than I thought. This could be a yes. Okay, so this is a definite, I think, yes. I didn't think I was gonna like this. It's this shirt. It comes up on the side. It functional buttons, so you can go as high or as low as you want. I love the long sleeves. Like, this is such a cute cover up. You could probably even wear it as a shirt. Like, I wouldn't, but I like to be covered up also on my shoulders sometimes when I'm walking around, so I think this is really nice, and I thought for sure I'd hate it, like for sure, but I actually really like it. Okay, so here is this Rip Curl, I think, romper. It's pretty cute. Like, this kind of romper is more my style. Kind of like the color, comfy. So this could be a yes too. Okay, so here is a skirt I thought could be cute, but like it like doesn't fit. It's too big. I think it's supposed to come over, but like I don't fill it out. There's like all this extra room where like your hip is supposed to be out right here, but mine are not. There's like so much extra room. I don't know what to do with it. So I don't know, guys. It's too much. Okay, so here's a bonus item that I found underneath the pile of all the stuff that I had showed you, and it's this really cute dress, you guys. Obsessed, like love it so much. And it has this really cute ruffle detail, and it cinches in. But again, this is the kind of dress that doesn't fit a girl with a larger chest. So I was about to put it on, but I knew it was one of those that you were gonna like sweat to get like out of right here. So I hate that. And then next is this parejo, however you say it. It's cute, but not anything I would wear at all. So overall, it was like an kind of trunk. But I think that's too is like having a new stylist. It takes some time for them to get to know you, you to know them, and kind of stuff like that. So Lord knows I have enough stuff, see right there, to go to Hawaii. So I just wanted some fun new pieces, but I'm not sure anything worked out besides that one cover up and maybe the sunglasses. So we'll see, and possibly the romper, but I'm gonna relook at that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you've not done so yet, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.